On a cold night. On a cold night. Tonight. On a cold night. On a cold night. Tonight.
It was going well, and then I started breaking things. So I thought I'd just come to my friend's house and ask him to fix everything. So yeah, he's a lot better at this sort of thing than me.
And Grogu. With the Ultimate, you get Megève, Saint-Germain, Lizouche, all of Chamonix, the best ski area Grand Tour.
And then this is the room that I'm going to be staying in, which is sick, to be honest. I mean, I love how chalets do all of this stuff. I think it's really cool. You don't really see it that much in England. And I'm not really sure why, to be honest, because I think it looks so nice. They also seem to do some sort of, so that's not plastered, it's like K-rendered or something. Also, this window's a bit weird because it's kind of like a door. And then it has a latch on it. Which again, is something I haven't really seen. Ooh, a dog. And an SQ5. So yeah, that's the bedroom. And then here, it's got an ensuite, which has got 1, 2 lights. If I stand over here, you can see. It's got a really nice, quite a big ensuite actually. And also, all of this is underfloor heated. I think in fact, all of this is also got underfloor heating, which is very nice. And then a really big shower. Doesn't have a shower tray, instead it's the tiles. They've all been angled, so it flows off down there. Just thought, there's no curtains in the bathroom. And then I also looked out here and was like, there's no curtains here as well. And then I saw this, 2 arrows. Now that is rich. I need that in my life. Definitely going to take some inspiration for this, for a project that is going to be coming to the channel quite soon, I think. I'm still trying to work out exactly what I'm going to be doing, but this sort of chalet styling and ensuite layout to this might get replicated pretty soon, but who knows? Anyway, I'm going to go adventure this area. I need to work a lot harder. I mean, look at that place. I think this takes motivational walks to the complete next level. Levels. Nah, this is where I'm going to live in the future. The lake's starting to freeze. Look at that. Oh, that's cold. How cold is it? 0 degrees. Kind of makes sense if it's freezing. Oh, not wearing any snow clothes. Should I shut it, yeah? Nice. Oh God. Ooh. That's ice. Oh. Let me put the camera there in the snow. I've had a few messages of people being like, Chris, what are you doing in Switzerland? Why are you looking at places? Well, in 2021, I managed to get a Swiss passport, and for a long time, I've always had a dream of buying a property in Switzerland in the mountains. There's a car coming, which I'm probably going to get hit by. So I've got a few viewings lined up. Oh, snow. Ah, it's cold. Just got snow all over my camera. I didn't really think that through. But yeah, I've got a few viewings lined up, so I will take my camera along, kind of show you quickly the sort of places I'm looking at. Some of the places that I'm going to view are ridiculous. One of them's a lakeside property that's probably 10 bedrooms, which is just, yeah, not the sort of thing I'm after. I'm after a small chalet in the mountains, preferably somewhere I can ski and ski out. And the location of where I'm looking for is all of Switzerland. And because of that, there's no real time limit on how long I'm going to be looking for, because like I said, this is like a once in a lifetime dream for me. So I want to buy the right thing. And yeah, I just thought I'd take the camera along and show you the sort of process. Maybe if I end up buying something one day, that'd be so cool, like filming the renovation of a chalet. So yeah, I don't really know where I am right now. I like Switzerland a lot.
Monsters, tell me, do you believe in those monsters? I'm talking dreams so big that they'll haunt you, or they'll calm you. That's how you know if you gotta go and get it, get to win and not conquer. I had to go out and get it without a sponsor. Kept it real, never crooked, yeah, that's honor. Now I can go out and get it how I want to. Hashtag bless, I choose.
Yeah, it needs a little bit of work, okay, but just got to have some vision. But it's all there. I mean, kitchen. Yep. Pretty decent sized rooms. Yeah, isn't the best of condition. Yeah, I know, everything's just being wrecked. As soon as all the windows start disappearing, all the damp and yeah, people just come in and do all of this stuff. But it's a massive plot. I'm not really a big fan of the location because it's in the valley and I kind of want to be up in the mountains, like near a ski resort. Whereas at the moment you've got to go to the base lift over there from the valley up, which is like 9 francs, so 7 quid. And then you get your lift pass for up in the mountains. And it's probably about a 45-minute commute up to the resorts. And I mean, it's not exactly the worst commute I've ever seen. To be able to kind of ski and ski out is kind of what I'm after. And this is massive. So the renovation cost of this is a little bit ridiculous. So then up onto the 3rd floor, you're in the roof now. So it's a bit of a weird sized rooms. And as you can see, I mean, this isn't particularly inviting. Very odd smell, but yeah, a lot of potential. You just gotta look past all of this, which is pretty hard to do, to be honest. Amazing location if you want to be in the valley, but no, I want to be up on the mountains. And also you don't get much snow down here, which is another negative. But with square meters comes more renovation cost. And it's not really private. I mean, you've got like a hotel there, another like big apartment block, and you're kind of beneath it all, so your garden's not private at all. Not the one for me, but it's still pretty interesting. Also forgot to say that it comes with this massive barn, which has got an outdoor piano, quite nice. Now this one is, well, extremely expensive, but I thought I'd just come and have a look at it. It was once a restaurant hotel thing, and if I show you the kind of setting of this, so yeah, it needs just a little bit of work. Now it's completely gone. Like, this is actually very, very bad condition. Light switches aren't working. Look how eerie this is. Yeah, right. This was probably the kitchen because it's got all the vents and stuff in it. This place definitely has some structural problems because, I mean, they got acro props holding everything up. But I mean, what a view. Look at that. I think a bear attacked that wall. It's hard to believe that this is in Switzerland. All my days. That is very not supported there. And that's why all the water's just been leaking through. And then you can see over there, it's got a massive terrace. I'd say this is probably 500 metres squared of internal property, which is ridiculous. So, as you can see, this was the restaurant area. Then that, I guess, is all the cooking area. It's quite hard to tell considering everything's already been stripped out. Then that's got accommodation up there. This is all accommodation on this floor and this floor. And then more restaurant, hotel type areas there. This parking area is also owned by that, which is just insane because it's also got this jetty because there's boats that go across this lake. Look at this. Got a little winch. Oh, I can get a reever with jet skis. Why is that so sketchy? Yeah, that doesn't feel that secure. Oh, look, here's the old dock. Look, you can see old posts all the way around. I think I found where I want to live. This is now my house. I shall live here. I think this might be one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to. I think there's a leak. Oh, look at that. God, it's got very low ceilings. This sort of thing is exactly what I want. Also, what's over here? It's so cold. I need to go buy some actual winter clothes because I'm just wearing jeans and a coat. It's not really very well thought out. I don't know if you've ever experienced -11, but it's quite cold. There's actually a little ski resort thing there. And then this is like a Langlauf track, it looks like, because it's way too flat to be a piste. Just park up here. Oh, that's icy. I think this river is frozen. Can you hear that? Look at that. Never seen anything like this. So all the water, I think, is being released from the reservoir, and that's why it's all cracking, because the water level's dropping. Yeah, look, there's the water being released, and I guess that's the generator? Maybe? I really don't know what I'm talking about. Look at that. What I'm quickly learning is a lot of the houses here, it's all about who you know and if it actually comes on the market or not. If you just look at houses for sale in this area, nothing's really on the market. The only places you hear about is if an estate agent or somebody knows somebody who's thinking of selling something and apparently let it drop it. So yeah, just saying, I'm interested in buying this house. That's your best chances, because a lot of it is farming land that has been owned in families for a very, very long time. Just look at that. Incredible. Oh. Can't feel my hands. Things don't even feel cold anymore. See how it felt warm? Scandinavian flick. And we out. Until next time.